Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of IC Auto. So today we are camping in this. This is the UniCamp USA Toyota Sienna pop top, which with just a push of a button here, it turns into a full-on rooftop tent. We are super excited to be experiencing this and sharing it with you all. With that being said, my name is Xiomara Gerardo, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so what is this thing exactly? Let me catch you up real quick. So UniCamp actually started out in South Korea, and now UniCamp USA brings the whole setup over here for us in the States. And right now they can do this conversion to two minivans, the 4th generation Toyota Sienna, which is what we've got, and the 4th generation Kia Carnival. Now the thing to know here is that it's not a full RV, it's really more of a camping platform. Basically they give you the bones and you build it out however you want. It all starts with the roof, which is the fun part. It turns straight into a full rooftop tent that sleeps up to 2 people. On some of them, you can even pop it up with a remote, but that comes down to the model year, so it's worth asking them beforehand. Price-wise, the conversion's around 16 grand, and that covers fitting the roof and paint matching it to your van so it actually looks factory. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks, and it gets done at their shop in Las Vegas or a partner shop up in Oregon. Now, if you want more, you can add a kitchen space for around 4 grand, which is really more of a prep space. You get a sink, storage, and a spot for a stove, but you bring the stove and gear yourself. And from there, it just keeps going. You can add an awning, a solar setup, a second battery, whatever you're into. Oh, and the question that everybody asks for a roof like this, is it actually safe to cut into? Yes, UniCamp ran a full rollover test to make sure it doesn't mess with the frame. So yeah, that's the deal. They hand you the setup and you bring your own style. Now keep watching to see your first-hand experience with it. Can you hold the keys, please? Mm-hmm. Okay, oh my god, it's so wet. With just a push of a button, let me show you the button. So we're inside of the van and we're gonna push this button here to turn the rooftop tent. Okay, nice. So there's a lot of cool little features that the UniCamp puts into this conversion. Over here we have this switch to turn lights on. We get a total of, 4 lights down here. If you leave that switch on, these turn into kind of like individual lights. So let's go ahead and leave them on. And yeah, let's try and get up into the rooftop tent.
Let's go.
Push this. Oh, this one has that little like support. Okay, filming myself over here. So, let's see. Putting this down.
Careful. Hey. And say hi.
Oh, hello. Okay. So first you get on this side of the rooftop tent. And then once I'm here, I just pull this down and then it's just completely flat. I'm able to put just a twin mattress here, and honestly I think 1 person or 2 people can sleep on the top. It holds up to 485 pounds.
Do you feel like there's enough space up there?
Yeah, it's way roomier than I thought.
So you're comfortable up there, you would say?
I would say.
Now if I go up there with you.
Oh, you should come.
All right.
Now we're testing if 2 people fit up here comfortably. That's what's getting on. It's a little heavy.
It's a little heavy. Okay. There we go.
So both of us are up in the rooftop tent. I feel like it's roomier than I thought. I thought that we were gonna be like super cramped up. I mean, there is obviously more headspace on this side, as you can see that I'm, kind of like hitting my head already. But that's because I want to show you all the windows. So up here we get a window on each side and then a big window on the longer side of the rooftop tent. All the windows have this zip, so for privacy at night you can go ahead and zip it up.
Or even during the day.
Yeah, or you can, you know, unzip it, and it has this bug net, so you don't have to worry about bugs coming in. So, you know, if you're really hot, you can just unzip it and have a lot of airflow come in. But also, you know, if it's really hot in the night and you still want that privacy, you can go ahead and zip these up and then have those little vents up there. Okay. And it doesn't feel unstable. I feel like it feels pretty stable.
Oh, it's
like I don't feel like I'm like about to like fall off or anything.
Not at all. I mean, solid.
So let's go ahead and get out. Oh, and I guess like you can also kind of like just chill here.
The
You're
loft.
up there, I'm down here. Yeah, this is
Yes.
like the loft, a little loft area in your minivan. So the company says that the kitchen system is still being developed, but what we have here is our kitchen. And what's important here is to understand the concept. This doesn't give you like a full-on like RV setup, but it gives you spaces to customize and make your own kitchen. So we brought this portable gas stove that we'll be putting right here, and then there's loads of space to put more gear. For us, we have, you know, food,
Cooler.
a cooler here, and then this is a sink. So you get 2 water gallons. Good morning. It's around like 6:50 a.m. I think. Both of us slept up here.
7:30.
Oh, it's 7:30. Sorry. I'm delusional. So, honest take on the UniCamp USA Toyota Sienna pop top. Honestly, we loved it. I mean, there's no tent that we have to set up. You're able to keep your minivan, and there's so many cool features that this conversion has to offer. I mean, these lights were super useful throughout the night. You know, like I said, we both slept up here, and it was a very hot night up here, so having this little zip-up windows and keeping them open throughout the night was really cool to have airflow come in, but at the same time be safe that no bugs are coming in. So yeah, and then as we showed you, we have a little kitchen set up there. This Toyota Sienna is a hybrid, so you're getting more like 33 to 35 mpgs. Yeah, super practical to camp in this. This conversion exactly comes in at around $16,000. And the kitchen setup is still being developed, but it's projected to be around $4,000 or even less. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.